Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I'll show you how we can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles straight from the top. Just to swipe down, you can swipe up again, or down I mean, to extend the list, and this will give you a broader overview of the toggles. On one of the pages we should have our hotspot toggle, so for me it's on the second page right over here, personal hotspot. Once you locate yours, first time around I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will most likely want to change the password. As you can see, it shows us password right here, but by default just some garbage password, randomly generated one, so I recommend just removing it and setting up your own. Now it needs to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers, at which point you can save it right up here. Now that's really the only thing I would recommend changing. Obviously, if you have some preferences for the settings right there, you can change them to your needs. I'll just keep it as it is default wise, and then I'm gonna find the toggle once more, press on it, and this will automatically turn on hotspot. So right now I could connect my hotspot and basically on other devices and utilize the network that this phone has. Now once you're done with your hotspot, I do recommend trying to remember about it, just because hotspot consumes more of your phone's battery, and if you're not really using it, there is no point for it to be running in the background. And to turn it off, just find the toggle once more, tap on it, and there we go, it's now off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.